Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data. Back up everything from the Ntfs volume to another drive so you can restore later. Once done, check the partition size because Windows' built-in format often blocks Fat32 on large volumes. Make sure you have a tool ready, either a reliable third-party formatter for Windows or access to Linux with Ntfs. VFAT. Then unmount the drive or remove any swap/page usage, so the formatter can access the drive exclusively and avoid file locks. Now you perform the actual format. You open your chosen tool with administrator privileges, select the Ntfs partition, and pick Fat32 as the target file system. Make sure to pick an allocation unit size that fits your workload, larger clusters for big media files, smaller for many small files, because it affects performance and waste. Then choose quick versus full format depending on whether you want a surface scan. Start the operation, monitor progress, and avoid interrupting power or USB connections during formatting. When formatting completes, safely eject and reconnect the drive, then verify in your system that the partition is labeled Fat32 and capacity matches expectations. Once confirmed, restore your backed up files and test reading and writing several files to ensure stability and correct permissions. If you encounter errors, such as the tool refusing to format a large partition, use Linux's mkfs VFAT or consider splitting the drive into smaller Fat32 partitions or using xFAT when
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.